Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to spruce up some plant pots. Projects like these are a great way to use leftover scrap pieces of vinyl. Put the vinyl down on a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. On projects like this with thin writing, make sure you are using a green mat that is sticky. Otherwise, you could run into trouble when you're cutting. Now it's time to do the weeding. I picked up this nail polish holder, and it works really well for weeding little pieces like the inside of the O's. If you go to pull off the background, and you see that any of your letters start lifting, then this will tell you that it's time to do reverse weeding instead. If you've only lifted a little corner, you can just put the vinyl back down and pull the vinyl off the mat. I'm making 3 pots today, so I'll grab my scissors and cut them apart to make this next step easier. Take some transfer tape and stick it to the design. Use your scraper tool to stick the transfer tape to the vinyl. Now we are going to put the whole thing back on the green mat, but upside down, so the transfer tape is stuck down to the mat. Peel off the backing paper, and then carefully and slowly weed the excess vinyl off of the design. These are all weeded and ready to stick on to the plant pots. Grab your vinyl, line it up into position, and when you're happy with the placement, stick it on. Use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl really well to the pot, and then peel off the transfer tape. Well, there you go. These 3 pots are ready to get planted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.